Grandma, Papa, me some cupcakes. And I love you very much.
And I'll see you soon.
I'll see you soon.
You want to show them the cupcakes you made them?
Yeah.
Okay, show them.
These are your cupcakes.
Which one's Grandma's?
This one's Grandma's,
Oh,
and
that
this
looks
one's
good.
Papa.
Oh my. Should we show them all the cupcakes we made?
I made everybody's cupcakes. And then I think that's one. I like them. And
What? Oh, Grandma and Papa, this is Dee Dee's kitchen. The ceiling, yeah. Look, there's the fridge. Woo! Good thing I had the wrist strap on. Okay, you want to show them the rest of the house? Okay, you have to speak really loudly and tell them where you're going.
Grandma, Papa, I'm going. Can you go with me?
Yeah.
We're going to show you darkness. It's very dark. It's very dark, but you can't see. And everything glows.
So this is the extra living room.
This is the extra living room.
Okay.
And
Are you going to the main living room?
well,